At CenterWell Specialty Pharmacy, we know when there's so much on the line, dispensing treatment isn't enough. That's why we're driven to deliver dedicated support always within reach. Because when customers feel listened to and engaged, better outcomes tend to follow.
Our nurses and pharmacists have regular check-ins with our patients. We know that if we just dispense a medication without checking holistically if the patient has other needs, they will not be successful on their therapy.
We created the CenterWell Specialty Pharmacy Neuromuscular Center of Excellence because chronic cases demand a proactive approach to care. Specialized clinical teams connect with patients through compassion and collaboration for a fuller treatment plan. And support meets empathy when these teams stay in touch with patients using proactive check-ins to watch for the hidden side of MS. Our pharmacy technicians work with industry-leading efficiency to fill therapies fast. And because true adherence requires listening and acting, it's no surprise that pairing our approach with patient outreach leads to such low abandonment rates.
We know what your main goals are, and we are aligned with those goals. Our job is to get patients on therapy quickly and to keep the patient adherent and on therapy.
Simply put, our experts do more. They're listeners and doers who empower patients to be their healthiest. We get to know patients through regular clinical check-ins. If they're struggling, we act before they ask. These connections have helped us to know the ins and outs of numerous patient populations, including patients with commercial plans, Medicaid, and seniors.
Specialty patients have a lot of anxiety and uncertainty about the therapies. We provide access to a pharmacist 24 hours a day to be there when these questions may arise.
Humans are at their best when they're connected, and that's true for their care too. That's why we've invested in live video chat, so that patients receive face-to-face care to overcome social, emotional, or physical barriers.
Having this true connection with our patients and our nurses has really paid off. They can talk to the patients about how to administer a medication, or they can just talk to them about everyday information about their medication.
And if finances are an issue, we're ready to meet that challenge too.
Many of these medications are very expensive, and so it's our job at the pharmacy to make sure that we can make these medications affordable.
We think it's paid off, and patients seem to agree.
Having award-winning customer service is really what it's all about. Our pharmacists and our technicians and nurses love that feedback from our customers.
With CenterWell Specialty Pharmacy, you can rest assured knowing compassion and personalized care is dispensed with every prescription. Throughout your health journey, you can count on CenterWell Specialty Pharmacy to put you at the center.